Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a back-to-school greeting card. I'm using an unnamed paper pad from Craft Sensations, and I'm also using one of my freebie sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. And I'm also using a couple of die cut sets for this one, and I'll put the names or the names in the description box below. So I'm starting with a base, so I cut a base, and then it's basically a 6x4 greeting card, so based on 6x4 inches. And so I just need to cut a strip of paper away from a 6x6 paper pad, and then that gives the base of this. And then I'm working on the sentiment part, and so this is a make your own letter board die cut set that comes with a lined background and then a frame that I have been using for my square photos a lot and other projects that you might have seen already. It's the perfect size for my photos. So I glue the frame onto the black background that is lined, so actually aligning things is really easy. And then I have this this orange strip is actually a ruler. It's die cut, and it has it's embossed with just the markings of a ruler. You can't probably see in the video very well. And then I have this die cut set that is a basic bookmark die cut set. And so I just cut out these pieces from different colored cardstock, and here this letterboard die cut set comes with an alpha included, and so I'm putting down the letters of this one into the letterboard, and because it's lined, it's easy to line everything up very well on this little blackboard there. I wanted to give it a little bit like the impression of a blackboard rather than a letterboard. It works either way. It's a good background for a sentiment that has to do with school. And so I am still, these are tiny letters that come with this die cut set, so I don't really like working with it too much because it's really just very fiddly to have these tiny letters and then working with glue and all that, but it works. It doesn't mess up too much with the glue either anyway. So here I put down this paper strip that's a ruler, and you can see it even has a little hole on the side, so it's actually a full-on ruler, just not so easy to see. And then I have it's one die cut made of two pieces to make a book, and so I cut it with differently colored cardstock for the book covers, and then just plain white for the just the pages of the book basically. So I'm piling up the books in that corner there, just as you would have in other arrangements. And I have to make sure these are tiny strips again. It's a little fiddly to work with this kind of stuff, and I have to make sure it's the cover is also very thin strip, and so I want that strip to touch the book below it, and so because I don't want the book to float in the air. But when I want to start with that center piece, because then I can align that little strip to that centerpiece, so it's a little fiddly to get it all the right way, but it works. It wasn't too hard actually. Just needs a little patience to work with this. And then so here are the books, and then there's this one more piece where I have to decide where originally I thought I could put this open book on the side there, but then I decided maybe it's better to put the apple to the side there, and then to put that open book on top of that pile of books that I already have arranged. And so again, I have to keep a little bit of space there because there's that book cover still, again, and cut from colored cardstock. These are tiny die cuts, but this is why I prefer die cuts sometimes over silhouette, because silhouette, I think, in my experience, and I've had my silhouette for many years, it just doesn't really cut well, such tiny things. So, and then I have the stamp. I have the stamp set back to school, and so I just took the one stamp that says school there, and stamped it on just a die cut piece of white cardstock. Now I put down the background page, and this is pretty much my page done, or it's a card actually. So this is pretty much my card done, and obviously I need to cut off that tiny strip there. The paper is not exactly 6 by 6 inch, I guess, size, so I had to cut off a little bit at the bottom, but it doesn't matter. And then I have this paper clip die cut from another set there, and so I am adding that to the top. And I couldn't decide at first, do I put some parts under, do I put some parts over, but I just decided to leave it this way. So that's this card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Oh wait, I have to still cut off the parts of the ruler, but this is the end. So and consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.